Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to open an account in ninjatrader.com. So please, on your browser, search ninjatrader.com and I will see you there. As you can see, this is the website of NinjaTrader. So for open an account, please click open account. Now enter your email and then click sign up. Okay, if everything goes well, please confirm your email. Click confirm. Okay, now select your username and password and then click on create user. Okay, if everything goes well, you need to be in this page. So in this page, you have two options. The first option is about creating a live account and the second option is about creating a demo account. So please click on the second option. Now fill this form and make sure that everything is correct. And then click continue. Congratulations, you have a NinjaTrader account. As you can see, this is the web dashboard of NinjaTrader. And now what we want to do is to download the NinjaTrader software to our computer. So let's do that. Please click on download. Make sure that you download the most recent release, okay? And of course click download. After you have downloaded NinjaTrader software to your computer, please click on NinjaTrader, enter your username and the password and click login. Congratulations, you have NinjaTrader software installed on your computer. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.